Nina benhlonhla Nyovana kanda behlehlele inkomo zamaswazi selithemba ukuthi ihora lokuqala emini nazi indaba wena mbukelo kumele kwenze woza nendlebe mina ngizoza nendaba angihlale kuzona ithonto naze ihamba phambili kusehlonjeni.
Bloemfontein in Kraaifontein every year we are experiencing the same problem in terms of when is the winter and it's raining. The informal settlement is getting flooded.
Kukhahlamezeke imijondolo eyinkulungwane eziyishumi kumkhandlu udolobha iKapa ngenxa yezikhukhula ebehambisana nomoya namandla endaweni ezifana neKhayelitsha, iGugulethu kanye neTafelberg.
Once this judgment is handed down, we will then consult with our clients and decide on further steps.
Inkantolo ephakeme ePitoli izokwethula isinqumo ngehora qalene beliphenya ngokushona kweziguli eziyikhulu ezayingaphathekile ngokwengqondo ezasuswe ikhungweni ze-Life Esidimeni ngonyaka u-2016. Ababhekele inhlekelele emkhandlwini idolobha iKapa bathi izinkulungwane eziyishumi imijondolo ekhahlanyezwe izikhukhula ebehambisana nomoya onamandla kulomkhandlu kulezi ndawo kubalwa iKhayelitsha, ulwandle iseGugulethu kanye naseTafelberg. Kusenjalo izangoma zezulu ezingayidli imbumba iqagula ukuthi sasa.
Izangoma zezulu zaka-South African Weather Service sezikhiphe isexwayiso ngesimo sezulu esingesihle edolobheni iKapa kusasa. Lesixwayiso siza nje igcwele iyachichima imifula emibili yaseKapa emva kokuhlasela kwemvula enamandla ehambisana nomsinga obandayo. Lesi simo sezulu sikhahlameza kakhulu labo abahlala emgwaqeni nasemijondolo.
Over the last 2 days, we've seen 15 individuals that are rough sleepers coming to the shelter, and so we welcome. I think for the last, give or take, 4 or 5 days, we've had 44 homeless people come into our shelters.
Ababhekele izinhlekelele emkhandlwini idolobha iKapa babika ukuthi izinkulungwane eziyishumi imijondolo ekhahlamezekile. Kulesibalo kubalwa nemijondolo yaseKraaifontein nakuyindawo evame ukuhlaselwa imvula enamandla ngalesikhathi sonyaka.
Bloemfontein in Kraaifontein every year we are experiencing the same problem in terms of when is the winter and it's raining. The informal settlement is getting flooded and so on.
Lo mphakathi unxusa ukuthi uthuthelwe kwenye indawo.
We contact Malusi Boy the time he was in the city of Cape Town that says there is a land here in Kraaifontein where people can be relocated to stay there. But even today, nothing happened till I call Human Rights Commission.
Kusenjalo kulindeleke ukuthi undunankulu wase-Western Cape Allen Winde abezindaba ukuzocacisa ngomonakalo osudalwe yile nhlekelele yezemvelo.
Landana nasemahlongulu emakhaya kuqumbe esifundazweni Eastern Cape besabela umonakalo wenzekile bayawubala ngemva kokuthi umlilo wequbula ushise inqwaba yemfuyo yafa kule ndawo.
Umonakalo omkhulu oshiywe ngumlilo obuqoqisa ngecawa malunga nomhlaba wamadlelo uchabalele. Amafama ashiyeke exhwalekile. Amafama achaphazelekileyo acela uncedo kurhulumente.
Mna nditshelwe into zigusha ezipha ku-14 kakhulu nomnye umntakwethu otshelwe yi-90 into yegusha.
Ukuya esikolweni ndisiwe ngenxa yento yokubana kuthengiswa izigusha. Okokuqala utata kaphangile wabuya emgodini ngoko bebuyela uzojonga ezigusha.
Isebe lezolimo liye kuhlola ubuzaza bomonakalo kwezilali.
Kuyacelwa ke abahlali bangaqali imililo ngaphandle kokuba bencediswa ngabantu baseburhulumenteni. Bayacelwa nabantu bangami eqaleni kwendlela baze balahle idombi zabo zecupha.
Komnye umlilo obuqoqisa kwilali yaseMagombe eNqanqarhu kuthe imizi ekwishumi ngenxa yemililo yamadlelo. Isivuno naso asisindanga.
Ufike ke wagqugqisa ke kule lali yaseMagombe utshisile imizi emithandathu. Eminye impahla jele ngaphakathi kwatsha mbona kwatsha umbona kwatsha izinkukhu kwatsha nebhokhwe.
Kubikwe ukuba kwakhe baye bafumana amanxeba ngiphi okutsha kulomlilo waseNqanqarhu. Kwindaba ze ndingufundiswa Mhlekude ezilandana kuqumbu.
Kuphangalale abafundi abayishumi nambili kanye nomshayeli engozini yemoto eyenzeke eCarltonville entshonalanga yeGoli. Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni uthi leli tekisi ebelithola abafundi lishayiswe yiveni labe seliphenduka. Abanye abafundi abayisikhombisa baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela.
We received calls from our officials confirming the incident which occurred this morning, whereby 12 lives were lost, including that of a driver, which makes it 13. The psycho-support unit has been referred to the school to provide necessary support, and the MEC has extended its condolences to both the school's community and the families.
Lo wasuswa sokuba inhloko yabehlulile esifundazweni iWestern Cape uDokotela uJohn Hlophe uzosebenza eCommissioner nebhekele ubuqotho nokusebenza kwabo abehlulile eParliament. Lesi sinqumo sithathwe izolo.
Phambilini JSC yamthole necala lokunga iParliament labe selivotela ukuba asuswe esikhundleni sokuba ngumengameli wamajaji eWestern Cape. Umbuzo omile njengamanje uthi ngabe uHlophe ukufanele yini ukusebenzela le commission ebhekele ukusebenza kwamajaji.
You'll find all this intimidation by the racist DA, which is unconstitutional, where they will try to bully you to say you do not qualify to get into these committees and to not in these committees. But Judge Hlophe is the best suited candidate that we can fill for this position.
Umkhonto wesizwe wesekwe amanye amaqembu ambalwa.
Let's respect the fact that a certain number of people in South Africa have voted for Umkhonto wesizwe party and have designated Dr. Hlophe to become a member of parliament.
There is nothing that precludes Dr. John Hlophe from representing parliament.
I-Democratic Alliance ibe yiqembu lokuqala elingahambisananga nokuqokwa kukaHlophe.
Dr. Hlophe is the first judge in democratic South Africa to be impeached. He was removed from his office as a judge for gross misconduct for the matters that you set out, and is therefore unfit to sit on the bench.
Amakhulu amathathu nanhlanu amalungu eParliament avotela ukuba asuswe uHlophe kwesokwengamela amajaji eWestern Cape, kanti angama-27 kuphela amalungu aliParliament avotela ukuba angasuswa esikhundleni.
Lo wabe eyilungu le-ANC eParliament uCyril Xaba useqokwe ngokungaphikiswa njengemeya yomkhandlu udolobha iTheku. uXaba uthatha intambo kumxolisi Khawunda nosekuphele inyanga ajutshwa njengelungu lomkhandlu obhekele ifundazwe iNCOP.
I pledge the residents of this beautiful city. Honorable Speaker, please allow me to thank my predecessor, former Mayor Mxolisi Khawunda, who had been in this position since 2019, and I want to wish him well as he assumes his new responsibilities. My predecessors laid a solid foundation. Building on this foundation, we'll continue working closely with community leaders, business, and all our stakeholders to create solutions that reflect our collective aspirations. Our priorities are clear. To name but a few, we will focus on improving water and sanitation infrastructure, as well as ensuring uninterrupted water supply, a safe and clean city, inner city rejuvenation, strengthening good governance and fighting corruption, attracting investment and promoting an inclusive economy that creates jobs.
Ekugcineni kulindeleke ukuthi isinqumo ngophenyo lokushona kweigule life esidimeni sikhishwe namhlanje. Lolu phenyo lwasungulwa emva kokushona kweigule engaphezulu kwekhulu. Kwenzeka lenhlekelele ngekhathi igule ezikhulu nama-44 isuswa elife esidimeni ngo-2015 nango-2016 ziyisiwa ezikhungweni kahulumeni. Isinqumo sizokhushwa ijaji uMonoa Defo.
ayisishiyagalombili enzima emndenini yezisulu eziyi144. Ubuhlungu ke bokuqala kwaba ukuthungatha izihlobo zayo ngemuva kokuthi yasuswa ezikhungweni ze-life esidimeni yahanjiswa ezikhungweni ezizimele. Nxumalo akazange aziswe ukuthi udadewabo wayesehanjiswe kwesinye isikhungo.
What the families are hoping for is to be vindicated. What families are hoping for is for the judgment to rule in our favor. Because it's been a long way to get to this point. Our loved ones died the most horrendous, the most traumatizing death that you could imagine. And basically what families have been hoping for is just to have people held accountable.
Kwasungulwa ke uphenyo ukuze luthole imbangela yokushona kweziguli.
This has been an 8-year-long journey that commenced in 2017 with the publication of the report into the Life Esidimeni tragedy by the Health Ombud. Subsequent to this was the arbitration that was led by Justice Moseneke. Once this judgment is handed down, we will then consult with our clients and decide on further steps.
Owengamele ezempilo eGauteng uqedani Mahlango uthi angeke alithwale icala lokuphangalala kweziguli. Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luzothatha isinqumo mayelana nokuthweswa abathile ngamacala ngemumva kwesinqumo senkantolo sana.
Mbukele sathi qwayito la noma besibuya sizophathela udaba oluthe.
The system will give you 7 days and it will remind you. That's why the phone number is important. It will give you 7 days. It will keep on sending you SMSs that there's missing documents that you need to go and upload.
Umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng usumemezele ukuthi luzovulwa kusasa uhlelo lokufaka izicelo online zabafundi abazobe benza ugrade 1 no grade 8 ngonyaka ozayo ezikoleni zakulesifundazwe. Lolo daba sizobuya nalo njengoba sikusakazela indaba zehora lokuqala emini. Asikubingelele sikwamukele uma kusanda kungena utabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi kukhahlamezeke imijondolo izinkulungwane ezidolobha iKapa ngenxa yezikhukhula ebehambisana nomoya onamandla eindaweni ezifana neKhayelitsha, iGugulethu kanye neTafelserh. Mbukela sikhumbuze ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni eGauteng usumemezela ukuthi luzovulwa ngokusemthethweni kusasa uhlelo lokufaka izicelo besebenzisa i-internet online nokuyicelo zabafundi abazobe benza ugrade 1 no grade 8 ngonyaka ozayo ezikoleni ezikulesifundazwe.
Kunxuswe abazali babafundi abazobe benza ugrade 1 kanye no grade 8 ngonyaka ozayo ukuba bahlinzeke ngolwazi oluphelele uma befaka izicelo. Abazali bangalindela ukuqala ukuthola izimpendulo kusukela ngomhlaba kumandulo kanti banikezwe isonto ukuba baphothule ukufaka izicelo zabo.
And the importance about this process of uploading document, the system will give you 7 days and it will remind you. That's why the phone number is important. It will give you 7 days. It will keep on sending you SMSs that there's missing documents that you need to go and upload. So the system. Hence, I said there are areas that we improved on. So the communication aspect is part of it. So you will have 7 days from the day you have set up your profile to upload the documents.
Sekuvule izikhungo ezingama-80 lapho abazali bengakwazi ukuyothola usizo ngokufaka izicelo.
This is the 9th year that the system is in place, and every year we ensure that we are on a continuous process of improving the system, increasing its capacity, and ensuring that it doesn't crash. And I can confirm that this particular system for 2024, in preparing for 2025, can take multiple entries without fail, and our parents will have access to it all the time.
Khona manjalo. Lo mnyango usezinhlelweni zokwakha izikolo ezingaphezulu kwezi-15 ngonyaka ukuze kuqedwe izinkinga zokugcwala ngokweqile ezikoleni.
Build One South Africa uMusi Maimane ufuna kubuyiswa igidi zamarandi esetshenziswe ngesikhathi kwakhiwa iMayibuye Primary School eThembisa. uMaimane uthi umbiko womvikelo womphakathi uveze ukuthi lesikole sakhiwa endaweni engafanele kanti kusashazwe imali yabakhokhi bentela ebalelwe igidini engama-82 zamarandi.
To the school, there used to be a nursery school that was operating right next door to the said site. And when you went to that nursery school, the teachers there already had raised concern that they themselves could not stay there because water was seeping into the building. So how the department felt that just a few meters away, the land would be different, to me is the anomaly. So the action should have been taken, and prevention in this instance would have been far better than cure. Then we would have prevented this issue of wasteful expenditure. It was common cause to know that this was a swamp and therefore no school could be built or permanent infrastructure could be built.
I've been listening to Mr. Maimane. I really think he's quite ill-informed, or if not aloof. The school is operational as we speak now. There are learners in class. Completely, we've taken all the learners from the previous mobile school. The only areas that are left that we are currently concluding is the school hall, as well as the play area, the court, the combi courts. That's the only areas that are left for completion, but the learners are in that school.
Ukufunda nokufundisa kuyaqhubeka eMthambala Secondary eJozini enyakatho yesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal. Ize lesikole sacekeleka phansi ngesikhathi kunesishingishane ngenyanga edlule. Lesikole sinabafundi abangama400 sisele namagumbi okufundela 3 nje kuphela.
Asinqumo esisithathile ukuthi izingane kusuku lwethu lokuqala azingene bese ke kuthi noma befika umnyango uthole izingane zikhona esikoleni nabo babheke usizi esibhekane nalo esimene esingesihle kuyabanda kakhulu izingane esivele sayifaka nje endaweni evulekile phezulu iminyango ivulekile amanzi esikoleni asinawo ama toilet asinawo
akufundeki kuyabanda kothi lapho nomilanga seliphumile lobe lisixhopha akubukeki esaza kubhale ukuxhosha ilanga kwenzeki lutho.
Kuphangalale umuntu oyedwa kwathi abanye balimala kulandela umlilo oqubuke eShowe kanye nakwezinye indawo engaphansi kwamasipala uMlalazi enyakatho yesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal. Ilinganiselwe ama-80 imizi ecekeleke phansi icekelwa yilomlilo. Abanye omasipala bakhahlamezekile kubalwa kubona wasemthonjaneni kanye nowasenkandla kanti kuphinde kwasha namaplazi.
Senze ngabo 80 besendlini sile sabona khanya igceke saphuma ke sacima umlilo sacima sonke ke. So sisacima sesisuphele umlilo waqhamuka omunye futhi ngala ubaba wami wazama ukugijima ayocima noba umncane wavuka wathi ucima endlini yakhe wabona ukuthi akucimi wangena naye wakhipha ingubo wangena phakathi zama ukuthatha izinto zakhe ebalekile ke washa kanjalo ke. Ngiphatheke kabi ngoba kushe yonke into akusakhulu ukuthi kumabhode ngishizeja khulu amanzi ama-headboard akhulu lutho nje. Besingadinga ukuthi besakhele indlu ngcono nezinto besixhasene noma mhlawumbe ngemali ukuthi sikwazi ukuthenga okunye njengoba kushoniwe nanokuthi-ke ubaba izinto zakhe eshile asinazo izinto ukuthi simenzele umngcwabo right. Besingadinga ukuthi besixhase kakhulu.
Mbukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukele lezi ndaba bese kuthulela bese umthanyana uMasokhela intokazi yale Msinga kwaZulu Natal uyabuya nendaba ngehora lesikhombisa kusihlwa.